morning, class 5th. I am your Pritha ma'am, your class teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are very fine. Okay. So, हम लोगों ने कल क्या किया था? कल हम लोगों ने बापू द फादर ऑफ द नेशन पूरा चैप्टर अच्छे से क्या कर लिया था, एक्सप्लेनेशन सेकंड पार्ट का भी कर लिया था, और उससे पहले हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट पार्ट तो ऑलरेडी कर रखा था। सेकंड पार्ट में हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा था कि बापू पूरी देश जो है, बापू ने जब जैसे एडल्ट हुए वो बाहर पढ़ने गए, इंग्लैंड पढ़ने गए, लॉयर बने, यहाँ आके पहले काम लॉयर के तौर पे ही काम करने लगे। फिर वो जब पूरे देश में ट्रैवल किया और लोगों की गरीबी देखी कि उनके पास खाने के लिए कुछ है नहीं, पहनने के लिए कुछ है नहीं, तो वो भी डिसाइड किया कि वो भी एक पूर्ण इंसान की तरह रहेंगे, है ना। तो उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने डिसाइड की कि वो भी सिर्फ एक धोती पहन के रहेंगे और कुछ नहीं पहनेंगे जब तक उनके देश के हर एक जो उनके भाई बहन हैं, जिनको वो पूरे मानते थे कि ऑल इंडियंस आर देयर, ऑल इंडियंस आर हिज ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स। तो उस अगर उनके सारे भाई बहन जो है 40 करोड़, वो अगर कपड़े नहीं पहनेंगे तो वो भी अपने गरीबी मेंटेन करते हुए ही चलेंगे, वो भी बेयर बॉडीड रहेंगे, वो भी सिर्फ एक धोती पहन के रहेंगे। फिर हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा कि एक बॉय था, लिटिल बॉय था, जो उनके पास आते थे। उन्होंने जैसे ही महात्मा गांधी को ऐसे देखा तो उन्होंने बोला कि आप ऐसे क्यों हो, आप मेरी मम्मी जो है वो अच्छे कुर्ते सिलते हैं, तो मेरी मम्मी आपके लिए कुर्ते सिल देंगे। तो उन्होंने फिर पूछा कि कितने लोगों के लिए सिल पाएंगे? 40 करोड़ लोगों के लिए सिल पाएंगे? अगर मेरे देश के 40 करोड़ लोग ऐसे मतलब हर कोई कपड़े पहन के रहेंगे तभी मैं कपड़ा पहन लूँगा, अदरवाइज आई विल बी लाइक दिस। हम लोगों ने ये चैप्टर पूरे अच्छे से पढ़ लिया, है ना। अभी हम क्या करेंगे, हम स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक ये चैप्टर को एक बार अच्छे से रीड करेंगे, ठीक है। तो टेक आउट योर बुक्स, ओपन योर बुक, स्मार्ट इंग्लिश, come to the chapter 4, Bapu the father of the nation. Okay, so we'll start read from here today. Part 1. Mohan was born in Porbandar on the sea coast of Saurashtra on October 2nd, 1869. Mohan was born in Porbandar on the seacoast of Saurashtra on October 2nd, 1869. When he was a boy, he lived in Rajkot and went to school there. He was not very bright, but he loved to read. The stories he read helped to make him not only kind and simple but also a strong and helpful man. The stories he read helped to make him not only kind and simple but also a strong and helpful man. He once read the story of Shravana, who used to carry his old and blind parents in two baskets slung on a bamboo. Seeing Shravana's great love for his parents, Mohan decided that he would love and serve his parents in every way possible. Once, Mohan saw a play based on the life of King Harishchandra. Harishchandra was an honest, noble, and just king, and the people of his kingdom lived happy and peaceful lives. King Harishchandra had lost his kingdom and suffered a lot for telling the truth. Mohan promised that he would also lead a truthful and honest life. Mohan was a very shy schoolboy. As soon as the school bell rang, he would collect his books and hurry home. Other boys stopped on the way to play or to eat. Mohan always went straight home. He was afraid that the boys might stop him and make fun of him. One day, the inspector of schools, Mr. Gills, came to Mohan's schools. He read out five English words to the class and asked the boys to write them down. Mohan wrote four words correctly, but he couldn't spell the fifth word, kettle. The teachers saw that Mohan did not write the word. He quietly told Mohan to copy the spelling from his partner's slate. Mohan ignored his signs. The other boys wrote all the 5 words correctly. Mohan wrote only 4. When the inspector left, the teacher scolded him. I told you to copy from your neighbor, he said angrily. Couldn't you even do that correctly? Everyone laughed. As Mohan walked home that evening, he was not unhappy. He knew he had done the right thing. He was sad that his teacher had asked him to cheat. As a child, Mohan was afraid of dark. Even in his own house, he would not step into a dark room. He feared ghosts and thieves and snakes. The cook Rambha said, Why are you so afraid? Remember, God will help you. He will always protect you. Mohan was deeply impressed by these words. He took to reciting the name of Rama. His faith in Rama increased as he grew up. He dedicated all his work to God. This boy was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Coming to the next page. Part 2. Mohandas was a fine young man. He met many people in his father's house and listened to them as they talked about their religions. He grew up respecting all religions. He believed that all Indians were brothers and sisters. Mohandas completed his schooling, joined college, and then went to England to become a lawyer. Mohandas returned to Rajkot and started working as a lawyer. Later, he worked for almost 20 years in South Africa. He was very upset to see how Indians were treated in South Africa and fought for their rights. He returned to India to fight for independence. He traveled all over country to spread his message to the people in the villages and towns of his country. He met so many poor, uneducated people who had no proper food and no clothes. Mohandas decided to dress like the poor of India. He wore a dhoti and remained bare-bodied. People started calling him Bapu and Gandhiji. Coming to the next page. Gandhiji loved children and they loved to visit him. A little boy who came to meet him one day was troubled to see the way Gandhiji was dressed. He is such a great man, yet he doesn't even wear a shirt. He wondered. Why don't you wear a kurta, Bapu? Asked the little boy. Gandhiji replied gently, I am very poor, I can't afford a kurta. My mother sews well, said the boy. She makes all my clothes. I'll ask her to make a kurta for you. How many kurtas can your mother make? Gandhiji asked. How many do you need? Asked the boy. 1, 2, 3. She will make as many as you want. Gandhiji said, it would not be right for me to be the only one to wear a kurta. How many kurtas do you need? The boy persisted. ऐसे बोलना है, ठीक है? I will ask my mother to make as many as you want. Just tell me how many you need. My family is very large. I have 40 crore brothers and sisters, Gandhiji explained. Till every one of them has a kurta, how can I wear one? Tell me, can your mother make kurtas for all of them? Hearing this question, the boy became thoughtful. 40 crores brothers and sisters? 40 crores brothers and sisters? Gandhiji was right. After all, the whole nation was Gandhiji's family and he was the head of that family. He was their friend, their companion. He was the father of the nation. What use would one kurta be to him? Mohandas Karamchand was called Mahatma as a sign of respect. The word Mahatma comes from the Sanskrit words Maha, which means great, and Atma, which means soul. Rabindranath Tagore gave him this title. When the Mahatma died, his last words were, Hey Rama. ज्योति सोलापुरकर की ये written है. ये written by this story is written by Jyoti Solapurkar. ठीक है, ज्योति सोलापुरकर। तो आपको क्या करना है, जैसे हम लोगों ने आज पूरा चैप्टर को रीड किया, आपको भी पूरा चैप्टर अच्छे से रीड करना है, पूरा स्टार्ट टू एंड आपको अच्छे से रीड करना है, एंड विल मेक अ वीडियो ऑफ इट एंड send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you class, have a good day, take care.